Getting into the beehive now. Let me look at the. Let me get the.
Can I see through your clothes? Don't answer
Let's
that.
see if there's honeycomb happening here.
Okay. They're not really building comb.
Look,
You are going to get stung if you do
I
that.
know. I'll
Okay.
back up in a little bit. Wait. Look at all the honeycomb.
Yeah.
So they're
Is
not
there any
building.
honeycomb down in yet? Not
Eh,
quite.
this is a toughie.
But they're done on the other one. The next level down. I'm backing up.
No, I haven't got stung.
You've done it before?
And Gabriel, I got to see it up close. It's the propolis that they use to deal it, so they had to undeal it.
Yeah, I'll tell you what we're going to do. Let me, hold on. Let's just take the jars off. Sorry.
Take all the sides off so they could shake the bee off. The bees are not angry. The DG going. The bees flying around.
Okay, now we'll take this. Okay. They're just flying around here. Okay, now this is probably blue too. Take this.